This tutorial will guide you through the process of registering your dedicated Workspot control tenant. To begin, open your browser and navigate to the sign-up page. Provide your first name, last name, company name, and email address associated with this Workspot control tenant. Click Sign Up, and shortly after, you will receive an email containing a link to complete the registration on a web page. Once you access the provided link, fill in all the required fields. Create your company identifier. Carefully read and accept the Workspot subscription agreement, and then click Register. Upon registration, you will be logged into your Workspot control tenant. The initial step is to select your authentication type, with options being Active Directory or Azure Active Directory. For the purposes of this tutorial, Active Directory will be chosen. Following this, designate your Workspot control user account as a named user by navigating to Users, then Groups, and clicking on Configure Named License Group. On the subsequent screen, select None in the Directory field. Click Add User below and choose your Workspot control user account. Click Add, and finally, confirm by clicking Yes, Add.